Are you looking for a way to get stronger, leaner, and more toned? Then you might want to consider kettlebells. In this video, we're going to dive into the benefits of kettlebell training and show you how incorporating them into your workout routine, along with a healthy diet, can help you achieve your fitness goals. So sit back, grab a pen and paper, and get ready to learn about the power of kettlebells. What are kettlebells? Kettlebells are cast iron weights that have a handle attached to the top. They come in different sizes and weights, making them versatile for a wide range of exercises. They've been used for centuries for strength training, but have recently gained popularity as a great tool for functional fitness. Why use kettlebells for strength training? Kettlebells are a great tool for strength training because they allow you to work for multiple muscle groups at once, improving your overall fitness. The swinging motion of kettlebell exercises also helps to improve your balance and coordination. Kettlebells can also be used for high-intensity interval training, making them a great option for those who want to improve their cardiovascular fitness. The benefits of kettlebells for women. Women can also benefit from kettlebell training. Kettlebells help to tone and sculpt your muscles, improve your posture, and increase your overall strength. They are also a great option for women who are looking to lose weight, as kettlebell exercises are known to burn a lot of calories in a short amount of time. How to incorporate kettlebells into your workout routine. Incorporating kettlebells into your workout routine is easy. Start with lighter weights and work your way up as you become more confident with the exercises. Try to include a variety of kettlebell exercises in your routine, such as swings, snatches, and Turkish get-ups. Aim for 3 to 4 sets of 8 to 12 reps for each exercise. The importance of proper form. When using kettlebells, it's important to use the proper form to avoid injury. Make sure to keep your back straight and engage your core throughout each exercise. It's also important to warm up before you start your kettlebell workout and cool down afterward to help prevent injury. The role of diet in strength training. Diet plays a crucial role in your strength training routine. Eating a healthy, balanced diet that includes plenty of protein, carbohydrates, and healthy fats will help you to build muscle and recover from your workouts. Make sure to drink plenty of water before, during, and after your workout to stay hydrated. Kettlebells for functional fitness. Kettlebells are a great tool for functional fitness, which is all about training movements that you do in everyday life. Kettlebell exercises mimic real-life movements, such as picking up and carrying heavy objects, making them a great option for those who want to improve their overall strength and functionality. Kettlebells for core strength. Kettlebells are also a great tool for building core strength. The swinging motion of kettlebell exercises engages your core, helping to improve your stability and balance. Exercises such as the Turkish get-up and the kettlebell swing are especially effective for building core strength. Kettlebells for cardiovascular fitness. Kettlebells are a great option for those who want to improve their cardiovascular fitness. High-intensity interval training with kettlebells can help to boost your heart rate, improve your endurance, and burn calories. Incorporating kettlebell exercises into your workout routine can help to improve your overall cardiovascular fitness. Kettlebells for joint health. Kettlebells are a low-impact tool that can help to improve joint health. The swinging motion of kettlebell exercises helps to lubricate your joints, reducing the risk of injury and promoting healthy joint function. This makes kettlebells a great option for those who are looking to improve their joint health, especially as they age. Kettlebells for mental health. In addition to physical benefits, kettlebells can also have positive effects on your mental health. The intense physical demands of kettlebell training can help to relieve stress, improve your mood, and boost your overall sense of well-being. Incorporating kettlebells into your workout routine can help to improve both your physical and mental health. The benefits of a plant-based diet. A plant-based diet can also have many benefits for those who are in strength training. Plant-based sources of protein, such as beans, lentils, and tofu, are high in nutrients and low in fat, making them a great option for those who are trying to build muscle. A plant-based diet is also rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds, which can help to reduce muscle soreness and improve recovery after workouts. The dangers of processed foods. Processed foods should be avoided as much as possible. They are often high in sugar, salt, and unhealthy fats, which can lead to weight gain and other health problems. Try to stick to whole, unprocessed foods as much as possible to support your strength training goals. The importance of rest and recovery. Rest and recovery are just as important as diet and exercise. Make sure to give your muscles adequate time to recover between workouts and get plenty of sleep each night. Stretching and massage can also help to reduce muscle soreness and improve recovery after workouts. Importance of a balanced diet. A balanced diet is essential for good health and fitness. It should consist of a variety of foods from all food groups, including carbohydrates, proteins, healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals. Eating a balanced diet can help to maintain a healthy weight, provide energy for physical activity, and support overall health and well-being. Protein for muscle building. Protein is an essential nutrient for muscle building and recovery. It is recommended to consume 1.6 to 2.2 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight for those who engage in regular strength training. Good sources of protein include lean meats, poultry, fish, eggs, dairy products, and plant-based sources such as legumes, nuts, and seeds. Carbohydrates for energy. Carbohydrates are an important source of energy for the body, especially for those who engage in regular physical activity. It is recommended to consume 2 to 3 grams of carbohydrates per kilogram of body weight per day, depending on your individual needs and activity level. Good sources of carbohydrates include fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes. Healthy fats for heart health. Healthy fats are an important part of a balanced diet, as they play a role in heart health and hormone production. It is recommended to consume monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, such as those found in olive oil, avocados, and nuts, rather than saturated and trans fats. Hydration for optimal performance. Staying hydrated is essential for optimal performance, both in strength training and in daily life. It is recommended to drink at least 8 glasses of water per day and to drink more in hot weather or during intense physical activity. Staying hydrated can help to improve energy levels, focus, and physical performance. Mindful eating for optimal nutrition. In addition to choosing the right foods, mindful eating is also an important aspect of a healthy diet. Mindful eating involves paying attention to your hunger and fullness cues and eating slowly and without distractions. This can help to prevent overeating and improve digestion, as well as promote a healthier relationship with food. Incorporating mindful eating into your diet can help to ensure that you are getting the optimal nutrition your body needs for strength training and overall health. In conclusion, incorporating kettlebells into your strength training regimen can provide an abundance of benefits that positively impact both your physical and mental health. Kettlebells are an incredibly versatile and effective tool that can help you achieve functional fitness, core strength, cardiovascular endurance, joint health, and improved mental well-being. By combining kettlebells with a well-balanced diet that includes a variety of nutrient-dense foods from all food groups, you can optimize your nutrition to support your strength training goals and overall health. It's imperative that you approach your kettlebell training with proper form and technique, gradually increasing the weight and difficulty as you become more confident and skilled. And when it comes to diet, it's essential to focus on mindful eating habits, avoiding fad diets and quick fixes, and fueling your body with the nutrients it needs to support your training and well-being. Don't miss the opportunity to reap the numerous benefits of kettlebell training and a balanced diet. Subscribe to our channel today for expert tips, advice, and information on how to achieve optimal health and wellness through kettlebell training and balanced nutrition. Invest in your health and well-being and start seeing amazing results for yourself. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Until next time.